Hi everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to share with you the last two swaps that I did. Earlier in the month, or I guess it was back in January, I did some videos showing you of some things that I made. I was participating in a Facebook swap for Decorate Your Life. She's a local scrapbook company out of Houston, and then I'm a local subscription box company here in the Woodlands, so we're kind of close, and I wanted to participate in the swap. I thought it would be pretty fun. So you recall in one of my videos I did a tutorial for a bag topper. Well, this is a bag topper that Annette sent me. We were partners, and Annette made this a gorgeous bag topper. I absolutely love this. And I love that bow and the charm. Isn't that so pretty? I need to get one of these little bow makers because I think they are adorable. They make the cutest little bows. And here's another bow here. And then a memory decks card. Y'all remember that I did the tutorial video for the memory decks card I made for her. And this one's the one that she made for me. Isn't that beautiful? I just absolutely love it. That is some really pretty paper. I don't know if it came like that or if she actually did stickles all over it. Wow, if she did, that is a lot of love. Thank you, Annette. And then this was a little embellishment, a shaker embellishment. So she made like a little cocoa. That is adorable. And I made a shaker embellishment, Valentine's themed as well. That is just adorable. And then this was a little card. She wrote me a note in. And then we were just supposed to send some extra goodies. So she had made like a little purse to put some stuff in. And let's see what's in here. Oh, that is so neat. So she cut some extra pieces, I guess, to make some more of these. Oh, wow. These are adorable. The die cuts, they are so fun, aren't they? Okay, so this one has the heart where you put it on top there. That is just so neat. And we've got, let's see here, we got some gold spoons. And then these are some glittery ones, silver and gold. Got some snowflakes. Little flowers. Candy cane, isn't that adorable? Some little hearts. I guess it's going to be like maybe a marshmallow. Oh, here's some little marshmallows. So just all kinds of little goodies that I could use for that. So that's just so cute. And then she gave me some sentiments. I'm going to put all this back in here because it's a lot of little pieces and I don't want to lose it. So then she also had stamped some little sentiments. There's no one like you. Don't you just love that? That is so cute. I like how the gnomes are making a comeback, and they are just adorable. Love is in the air. Miss your face. I love you no matter what. That's cute. Be my gnomie. And then just cute little, just absolutely love that. Just adorable. So that was a very sweet swap. I enjoyed that. I hope that we get to be partners again. She had also sent a little bag with some of the glitter, like what she had put on the card as well. So I do also have a little bag of that. And then also the swap that we did, Dana Girls Designs, we made 3 layered embellishments and sent it to our partners. So me and Anne were partners, and I think one of my most recent videos, I showed you what I made, and that's what I sent to Anne. And then she made these and sent them to me. So I wanted to share those with you. Aren't they just adorable? I love these, just absolutely love these. Very vintage. I love all the bits of old lace here and stamps, flowers, buttons, the old music sheet. I love using a music sheet in with my projects. So these are just adorable. And then she also sent some vintage lace. She knows that I love vintage lace. So super excited about this. It doesn't, I was looking to see like a date, get an idea of a date. This is made in France, or was made in France. Manufactured by the Wrights Company out of Massachusetts. So that's really neat. And then also I wanted to read you, she wrote me a note, but I also wanted to read y'all, or just show you her brochure here. I had mentioned it a while back that Anne has a store, Jumbled Lace, and she was going to have a website. Well, she does. It says jumbledlace.com. So she does have a website. And then also she does sell locally as well. So if you're ever in the Hearst area, which I told her to tell me when she has some so that I can go, because I love going to you know, trade sales and different things like that. So she is located in Hearst, and you know, these are some different things that she keeps in stock: lace and trims, buttons, old stamps, paper packs, handcrafted journals. Some of the journals that she has made, she used the paper that she has received from me over the last couple of years. And, you know, so I'm very flattered that she would want to use my paper in her journals. That really means a lot to me, that she thinks enough of the papers that she really likes them. And and then also she told me that she recently put together some fabric packs that she's going to be selling for like $10 or $15 a piece, somewhere in that range, and they're absolutely adorable. So I wanted to get some more information from her about that, but what I'll do is I think I will create a section in our blog to highlight different sellers and things that they have going. So that way you can get in touch directly with her and purchase some of her stuff. She's got just really neat stuff. And of course it's vintage. So if you like vintage, you're going to love what she has. She has very good taste of just how she puts things together. So you're definitely getting something one of a kind, unique, vintage, and just, and she's a really sweet person to support. So I'm really excited that she sent this to me so that way I could spread the word and let y'all know. And I'll have something up in the blog and send out a newsletter letting y'all know. And if there's any other sellers that would like to be shown on our blog, let me know. I know a lot of y'all have small businesses and different things that you do, and I would like to support that because I believe that we are stronger together. So if you could just let me know that, and I can put that in a newsletter and feature you on our blog, so that way people can contact you directly for anything that you know, any products that they want or services that you need. I know a lot of y'all make custom journals and things like that. I used to, I just don't have the time for it, but I definitely like making custom journals, and they are a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this little short, quick video, and if there's any questions that you have or you need to reach out to me, you know, our email, my email is danagirlsdesigns@gmail.com, and you can also comment below the video as well, and I'll reach back out to you. Thank you so much.